40 Best Teamwork Quotes for Students to Believe in Unity. Read the below inspirational teamwork quotes for students to know the importance of a team while doing any important work. Teamwork is all about working together in a group. We can't always do everything on our own. We sometimes all have to work in a group to accomplish our goals. Whether it be collaborating on school projects, being part of a sports team, or helping make family decisions. The importance of teamwork for students should be felt at every stage of life. Be it in school, college, or any organization. Alone, very little can be achieved, but together, very much can be achieved. Here are some inspirational teamwork quotes for students that will motivate you to achieve great things with the help of a great team. You can also get motivation by reading teamwork quotes for kids and the workplace. Teamwork quotes for students. 1. Teamwork can build friendships that last a lifetime. Natalia Neidhart. 2. Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. Helen Keller. 3. No team works out teamwork. Dwayne Wade. 4. It is teamwork that makes the dream work. J. Rock. 5. You have to fight to reach your dream. You have to sacrifice and work hard for it. Lionel Messi. 6. Unity is the intentional inclination to corporately control our destination. In other words, achieving the dream takes a team. Dwayne Owens. 7. A team's inspiration comes from individuals' aspirations. The combined quality of individual passions makes a team's impact excel. When you are in a team, play a part. Israel Moore Ivor. 8. The team works because of teamwork. Deli Ola. 9. The individual great spirit and great efforts create a great team. Leila Gifty Akita. 10. You can't do it better without teamwork. Agwo David Emanike. 11. Teamwork doesn't happen without good teammates. Lance Loya. 12. Good team and network promotes amazing results. Leila Gifty Akita. 13. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Maddie Stepanek. 14. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence win championships. Michael Jordan. Best Students Quotes on Teamwork. 15. The strength of the team is each individual member. The strength of each member is the team. Phil Jackson. 16. A man needs a team in order to reach God's goal. Sunday Adelaja. 17. If your team is committed towards one goal, even if you have differences, you know you can make it through. Tim Birmingham. 18. A player who makes a team great is more valuable than a great player. Losing yourself for the group, for the good of the group, that's teamwork. John Wooden. 19. We equals power Laurie Myers. 20. We cap our ability to succeed when we work solo. When we come together, we multiply both ideas and effort. We increase the capacity to succeed. Deli Ola. 21. When you form a team, why do you try to form a team? Because teamwork builds trust and trust builds speed. Russell Honoré. 22. The best teamwork comes from men who are working independently toward one goal in unison. James Cash Penney. 23. Teamwork requires some sacrifice up front. People who work as a team have to put the collective needs of the group ahead of their individual interests. Patrick Lencioni. 24. An individual can make a change, but a team can make a revolution. Amit Kalantri. 25. Teamwork might make the dream work, but teammates make the team work. Lance Loya. 26. A high-performing culture allows mistakes. Learning from mistakes keeps teams together and makes them grow. Mario Muraphy. 27. If we work together, they are no match for us. Harmony Wagner. 28. I'm a true believer in the strength of teamwork, the power of dreams, and in the absolute necessity of a support structure. Julie Payette. Best teamwork thoughts for students. 29. Train like yours is the worst team, play like yours is the best team. Amit Kalantri. 30. With teamwork, we are able to multiply our output and minimize individual input. Agwo David Emanike. 31. Ego is the ultimate killer on a team. Patrick Lencioni. 32. Trusting helps you suffer less. Aniki Tachukwu Ezekiel. 33. If you are working in a team, do not expect an outcome of your excellence. It will be an average of all of the team members. Suman Pokral. 34. Team collaboration comes when the internal competition has left. Mario Muraphy. 35. If you're going to preach dedication, work ethic, teamwork, unselfishness, and being part of a team to accomplish a common goal, you have to live it, you can't just talk about it. Chris Mullen. 36. I'm a true believer in the strength of teamwork, and in the power of dreams. Julie Payette. 37. The nature of your work does not have to be the culture of your team. Jana Cachola. 38. When you start out in a team, you have to get the teamwork going and then you get something back. Michael Schumacher. 39. We're trying to give a young man life lessons, sacrifice, commitment, teamwork, self-confidence, and self-esteem. That's what this sport does for kids. Bill Cowher. 40. We talk a lot about hope, helping, and teamwork. Our whole message is that we are more powerful together. Victoria Osteen. We hope you liked the above teamwork quotes for students. Do not forget to mention your favorite line in the comment box below.